Hey everyone! If you're as stoked about wakeboarding as I am, then you've got to check out Elevated Wake Park, right outside Thomasville, North Carolina. This isn't just any lake, it's a wakeboarder's paradise. First off, the vibe here? Totally electric. From beginners to pros, everyone's shredding it up, carving through the water with killer tricks and flips. The camaraderie? Off the charts. It's like everyone here is part of one big thrill-seeking family. Now let's talk features. Elevated Wake is decked out with some of the coolest setups I've seen. Massive jumps, smooth sliders, and for those looking to really test their skills, there's even a couple of insane obstacles that promise to push your limits. And the best part? It's all nestled in a scenic spot that's just perfect for a day out in the sun. Whether you're here to learn the ropes with some chill, friendly instructors, or you're ready to compete in one of the frequent tournaments, Elevated has got you covered. And hey, if you're like me, just cruising on a board is enough to make it a perfect day. But what about the gear, you ask? No worries. The on-site shop is stocked with the latest and greatest in wakeboarding equipment. Whether you need a new board, a vest, or just some cool threads, they've got it all. So if you're itching for some wakeboarding action, why not make it a trip to Elevated Wake? Trust me, the energy, the people, and the endless fun on the water make it an unforgettable experience. Can't wait to see you out there carving up the lake and living the wakeboard dream with me. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you're planning a trip, or if you've already experienced the magic of Elevated Wake Park. Share your stories, I'd love to hear them. Until next time, keep chasing the sun and making those waves. Catch you on the water.